Is a VPN really necessary for RingCentral? That's a question many of you, especially those relying on cloud-based communication, have probably asked yourselves. In a world where remote work is the norm and digital security is paramount, understanding the nuances of your communication tools is more critical than ever. RingCentral, a leading unified communications as a service, UCaaS, provider, brings together phone, messaging, and video conferencing into one powerful platform. It's designed for seamless collaboration, but with that convenience comes the need to consider how your data is protected and how network performance impacts your experience. So, let's dive deep into whether a virtual private network, or VPN, is a must-have for your RingCentral setup, exploring the potential benefits and drawbacks, and ultimately, helping you make an informed decision for your business or personal use. First, let's clarify what a VPN does. At its core, a VPN creates a secure, encrypted tunnel over a public network, like the internet. This tunnel protects your data from prying eyes, masks your IP address, and can make it appear as if you're accessing the internet from a different location. For many online activities, a VPN significantly enhances privacy and security, and can even help bypass geo-restrictions or overcome network throttling. But how does this apply to a service like RingCentral, which is already designed with its own robust security measures? RingCentral itself employs a multi-layered security approach. Their data centers are physically secure and regularly audited, with strict access controls and 24/7 monitoring. They encrypt data both in transit and at rest, utilizing industry-standard protocols like TLS and SRTP for secure voice and video. They also offer features like single sign-on, SSO, with multi-factor authentication, granular access controls, and a comprehensive audit trail to track user activities. This inherent security infrastructure is designed to protect your communications and data within the RingCentral ecosystem. So, if RingCentral is already so secure, why would you even consider adding a VPN? The answer lies in addressing factors outside of RingCentral's direct control, as well as specific use cases where a VPN can provide additional benefits. One of the primary reasons to consider a VPN for RingCentral is enhanced privacy and security on untrusted networks. Imagine you're working from a coffee shop, an airport, or any public Wi-Fi network. These networks are often unsecured and can be vulnerable to eavesdropping or man-in-the-middle attacks. While RingCentral encrypts your communication once it enters its system, a VPN encrypts all your internet traffic from your device, right from the source. This adds an extra layer of protection, shielding your data, including your RingCentral calls and messages, from anyone who might be trying to intercept traffic on that public network. It's like putting your secure RingCentral communication inside another secure, private tunnel. Another key benefit is bypassing network restrictions or censorship. In some regions or corporate networks, VoIP services, including RingCentral, might be blocked or throttled by firewalls or internet service providers, ISPs. This can be due to government regulations, corporate policies, or even just network congestion management that unfairly targets VoIP traffic. A VPN can help you circumvent these restrictions by routing your traffic through a server in a different location where RingCentral is accessible. Your network provider won't see that you're using a VoIP service, only encrypted VPN traffic, allowing you to maintain consistent access and communication. This is particularly relevant for remote teams or individuals traveling to countries with stringent internet controls. Improving connectivity and mitigating throttling is another potential advantage. While VPNs can sometimes introduce a slight delay due to encryption and routing, a high-quality VPN with optimized servers can, in certain situations, actually improve call quality. If your ISP is actively throttling VoIP traffic, a VPN can effectively bypass this throttling, leading to more stable connections and clearer audio and video. It can also help if you're experiencing packet loss or jitter on your standard connection, by rerouting your traffic through a more optimized path. However, it's crucial to note that a poor VPN connection can also introduce latency and degrade call quality. So choosing a reliable VPN provider is essential. For organizations, a VPN can also play a role in centralized security policies and access control. If your company has a zero-trust security model or requires all remote employees to connect to the corporate network via a VPN, then using a VPN for RingCentral becomes part of a broader security strategy. It ensures that all traffic, regardless of the application, adheres to the same security standards and passes through corporate firewalls and intrusion detection systems. This provides IT departments with greater visibility and control over network activity, even for cloud-based services. However, it's equally important to consider the potential downsides and when a VPN might not be necessary. The most common concern with VPNs, especially for real-time communication like voice and video, is potential performance degradation. The encryption and decryption process, along with the extra routing through a VPN server, can introduce latency and reduce bandwidth. For RingCentral, which relies on low latency and stable connections for high-quality calls, a poorly performing VPN can lead to choppy audio, delayed video, or even dropped calls. RingCentral themselves state that their platform is designed to provide all the security you need, implying that a VPN isn't a mandatory requirement for core functionality or security. They also note that traditional VPNs struggle to scale with the rapid increase in remote work. Another factor is compatibility issues and complex configurations. While most VPNs are designed to be user-friendly, some might have compatibility quirks with VoIP services or require specific configurations to optimize performance. For a large organization, deploying and managing VPN clients across all devices and ensuring seamless integration with RingCentral can add significant IT overhead. Finally, for most standard home or office network setups with reliable internet, and without specific regional restrictions or a need for extreme privacy on public Wi-Fi, RingCentral's built-in security features are generally sufficient. Their focus on end-to-end encryption, secure data centers, and authentication protocols is designed to protect your communications from the vast majority of threats. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.